children, how are you? I hope all are fine. Before entering into the topic, we can see one small recap about previous class. What we seen in the previous class about pollination. In pollination, there are two type of pollination are there. One is self-pollination and another one is cross-pollination. And difference between self-pollination and the cross-pollination also we have discussed. Okay, what is mean by pollination? Pollination means transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma. It's called pollination. Okay, what happened to that pollen grains? That we can see today. Okay, some substance produced on the stigma causes the pollen grain to germinate. During the germination, a tube develops from the pollen grains that carries male gametes that ultimately reaches female gamete inside the ovary through the style. Male gamete fuses with the female gamete to form zygote. This process is known as fertilization. Okay, now you know about the fertilization. Then, where is this female gamete came for fertilization? That we don't know. That we can see now. Okay, inside the ovary, small round-like structure ovule are present. In this ovules, female gamete is present. To know more about this, we should dissect the flower in longitudinal section. You can see here I have dissected the flower in longitudinal section. We can observe the ovule and the ovary. This ovule is surrounded by the ovary and we can observe the connection of the ovules also. Okay. Next, by this we can understand the numbers of ovules present in the flowers. Now we can see some changes in fruits after fertilization. Now I have collected some fruits like tomato, brinjal, lady's finger, mango, peas and custard apple. You can observe these fruits. A green part above the fruit of brinjal and lady's fingers are sepals, because in flower stage sepals will protect the flower. Now, after fertilization, the sepals will not fall down. It will be attached in the fruit. Okay. So, this sepal only, it is in green in color here. Okay. So, this sepal is otherwise called as calyx. Next one is custard apple. It is made up of many fruits aggregated together, so that only we can see many seeds inside the custard apple. Next one is mango. Outer skin and middle pulpy are edible and sweet, so that only we are all saying that pulpy mango. Next, innermost is with single seed, because in flower stage it has the single ovule only. Okay. Next one is pea. Fruit is not fleshy but forms a covering pouches for many seeds. In all above fruits, ovary transformed into fruit and ovule transformed into a seed. By this you can understand that the ovary changes into the fruit and the ovule changes into the seed. Next, we can see about some changes in flowers. Okay, after fertilization. Yes, this is calyx. Calyx is otherwise called as sepals. Sometimes persist with fruits. Next, petals fall off. Next one is androecium fall off. Next, pistil remains and develops into a fruit. This pistil is otherwise called as gynoecium. This is the female part of the flower. Next, style and stigma fall off. Next, ovary enlarges to store food materials and develops into a fruit. So before itself we know that ovary change into a fruit. Next, ovule present inside the ovary develops into a seed. So ovule changes into the seed. So these are all the changes in post fertilization of flower. This changes is called as post fertilization of the flower. Next we can see some interesting facts about the plants. Okay, how we can get the plants? By the seeds. Very good. So now we are going to see about some interesting informations or interesting facts about the seeds. Now you can see one picture here. This is world largest and heaviest seed in the world. This is called as double coconut. The seed looks like two coconut fused together. It only grows in islands. A single seed may be 12 inches long, nearly 3 feet in circumference, and its weight about 18 kg. Okay, so that only this double coconut is called as world largest seed. Next we can see about the orchids. Orchids have the smallest seed in the plant kingdom. 35 million seeds may weight only about 25 grams. That much smallest seed it is. Okay. Yes children, today we have discussed about fertilization and the post fertilization of the flower and some interesting facts about the seeds. Okay. Thank you children.